I'm not sure if you heard, but there's a new challenge going around on TikTok, your platform of choice, so I thought you would be up on this. But it's called the Nutmeg Challenge, where people are eating spoonsful of nutmegs. But it's different. It's not like the cinnamon challenge.
Okay, wow.
Okay, so the cinnamon challenge, the idea was that you try to swallow a whole bunch of cinnamon without coughing. Yeah. The nutmeg challenge, you just eat a bunch of nutmeg, like way too much, like a spoonful, which is actually enough to get you really high. So that's what kids are doing.
Oh shit, here we go again.
wait, slow down. Wait, what? Okay, so wait, who discovered that nutmeg got people high?
I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's the same people that like find out that glue gets you high, like you know what I mean? I think it's from the same camp of people. And it's like the regular drugs aren't enough to start like, you know, drinking bleach, just like, oh yeah, let's see what could get them higher like that. So
I think that's no, because like usually when it's a challenge, like cinnamon challenge, I mean it made I'm not saying the highest of IQs were displaying their like talent when they do the cinnamon challenge. Yeah. But it made sense, like, okay, if you do it without coughing, challenge complete. Yeah. What is the you get high. Like what are you doing? Like when they film, like when they put it on camera, like what are you like? It's not that interesting watching people just high. Yeah. Like when I mean high people talking, I could be interested sometimes. But it's just what I'm high now, like
I just don't probably not a pleasant high. Like people see spiders, elves on the show. you just turn it like your vision just turns into like Willy Wonka. Like this is actually like that's what I'm assuming from what I read.
Does anyone know the health implications at all?
Well, yeah, they say obviously don't do it. Like, like, cause I didn't know that. Nutmeg, you're only supposed to have a very low doses. Like, remember, like, a tablespoon of it, that's enough to get you high. And the problem is,
but I feel like the spice in itself was really strong, so people weren't even messing with it. Same with cinnamon,
exactly,
and vanilla and stuff. It's like you don't put much at all.
The problem people having is that when they would eat it, it will take time for it to hide the kid. So people eat like 2-3 scoops, and they're getting burned. So like, they're just like. They're gone, like they're completely zombied out. Can you imagine like crackheads from just eating nutmeg? Like imagine you're addicted to nutmeg. Like that is like the worst drug to get addicted to because you can just get like a pack for like $4 down at the grocery store. Like no problem. What do you do? Because when you're alcoholic, you can like avoid bars. Like if you eat nutmeg, you will avoid like what? The grocery aisles? Like the baking section? Like oh man, I can't go to the baking section, man. Like it's been too long.
I mean go to NA, nutmeg.
How would you even stumble upon that? This is going the other way. You're making a cake or something, you're knocking too much nutmeg, and you completely forget. It'll be hella fragrance. I'm pretty sure you don't smell.
Yeah, I think you toss that.
Yeah. Because knocking the cake, but you're just like, let me tell you, have a bite. You have a bite, you're chilling, and out Kathy starts seeing spiders on the ceiling.
You have to put a monumental amount of nutmeg. Like you would toss it. Yeah. Because it would ruin the cake.
Yeah.
So I feel like some of the intention is like, yo, let's do it.
Well, actually,
same with like how discovered milk. It's like how would you?
It's an extension from the cinnamon challenge. Because imagine people put
cinnamon nutmeg.
And like, oh, cinnamon, have nutmeg. Oh, easy. Could you imagine somebody trying a cinnamon challenge, but it was nutmeg instead? Oh, bet, this is easy. And they're like sitting on the couch, like a couple hours later, all of a sudden the TV starts talking to them. Oh man, that would be the scariest thing. Because it's not like you deliberately got yourself high. You're just like, you're just chilling, whatever, and you just see Oompa Loompas just like marching to your living room.
Would you do it?
Huh? Would I do?
No, I do, no, not for free.
Yeah.
But is there a money like about?
A money about probably like 15,000. 15,000 is enough money for me to be like. I'm not trying to say bougie, like I'm not trying to say bougie, but like anything under than that, like I want enough money that it's gonna cause a significant shift in my lifestyle. Yeah. If I get like extra $2,000, my rent is $1,000. Like I could that'll be gone relatively quickly. Yeah. But I need enough money that like by the end of the year I'm gonna have a little bit left over. I've heard other drugs too, like people that people take. And I forgot what drug it is. Oh, it's salvia. Yeah, salvia. Yeah, you take too much of it, and like you feel. I'm not sure if it's salvia, but anyway, there's a drug that if you take too much, it feels like you're dying. Like it feels like you're going to existence. And then you lose your sense of self, and it takes months for you to get back to normal. So if I'm risking, actually, no, I'm up in the price because I'm so.
You don't know that.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know the effects. Don't take it into account. This isn't like weed or something.
It's like people studied it. It's like okay.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like nutmeg. No one's studied that. I think it's crazy. The thing about it is just like, yeah, it's just someone discovered it, and from a doctor, the scientist, like, oh shit. So other idiot just come with something we have to figure out now.
Exactly, right.
Like just when they start eating Tide Pods and stuff, like, oh wow.
I'm sorry.
Stop laughing. You're ruining it. Seriously, every time you laugh, we can't use that
ruining
it. You're ruining it.
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining.
Quite a bit of money, but also I'll probably take it and go to sleep.
And you wake up high. Great.
So, would you wake up high? Or would you just try to figure out the window where you would be high?
Obviously, okay, stop being stupid, bro.
I don't know. Maybe stay awake.
Yeah, you would just stay awake.
I know.
You lock you in a room, change to a table, and like just sit through it. And of course, it's just like, yeah, I would take. This is what we'll do, right? I would take 2 tablespoons of nutmeg, then eat like 3 bottles of melatonin, and just pass out for 24 hours. No, you can't do that.
Nah,
you have to.
It's just like those kind of things that I don't know the effect.
Yeah,
I heard people talk about, oh, like I would just purposely catch the coronavirus. If I purposely catch it, then like people like after they get a certain amount of money, if they purposely catch it, think whatever, like I probably will die. But like what people don't understand is that we're so early stages, we don't know the long-term ramifications. So you don't know if it's like if you get a second time, you'll actually die. It's so crazy. Like, people don't know. It's so early times. So when it comes to this kind of thing, it's like I'm not even like. Even if there's a 1% chance that ish can hit the fan, fantastic. That's I will never stress about 1% for the rest of my life.
People always act like, why I'm so scared, like I'm a scaredy cat. I'm scared of like roller coaster rides or like trying crazy drugs and stuff like that. My body, I would have one body. I'm not an iPhone. They can't just return me in for service. People treat like the bodies like something. Like, I'll try this drug. Oh, my brain was fried. My wife has a friend that tried this new drug called Tesla. She tried a drug called Tesla, bro. And she was like vomiting, shaky, had to go to the hospital. Bro, how about a pill? Why would you risk it? And she was on vacation too, she ruined her vacation. Why? I don't understand. Like, why risk your body just for fun? There's certain things that have been like time tested, like, okay, this product, or like at least alcohol or like drug, like the mainstream kind of stuff, we at least know the
what's going on.
At least you like, for sure, if I drink this, my liver's gonna get damaged. If I drink too much, I'll black out probably after this point. There's a systemized approach to it.
Yeah.
Not making you have too much of that. You can wake up in Ibiza. Like, you can just wake up.
Oh, Kobe Bryant.
Exactly.
People be like,
exactly. You can just end up walking across the whole city, think you're just chilling with the homies. You wake up, you're walking down the highway, butt naked in a cold sweat.
Nah, that's crazy to me. Like how people just do the wildest things. Like, you only live once. I'm like, fuck.
Exactly. You're right. You only live once. You're perfectly right.
These people look God. They're like, yo, only live once. I'm like, fam, you died like 3-4 times over. And somehow you're still walking.
Exactly. 23 years old. So like, I have a long life to live. I'm very aware of that. But sometimes I wake up and I have a back pain. I'm like, is this my life now? For the next my existence, all I know life is going to be is this pain in my back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so like,
yeah, I had that for a minute.
So if I'm thinking that, you really think I would be like, oh, bet, yeah, let's try this new drug called Nutmeg. I thought, Pat, anyway, if you're stupid enough to try, I always feel bad for people who are just like, oh, funny challenge, and didn't realize I was getting them high, because that was just the worst experience.
At least 50K on the head top.
50K? Yeah, I'm not my price now. 15, I'm gonna have to go up to 50.
And that's what I have to do with my research on the Nutmeg, like, how much Nutmeg.
Drug roulette. There's a board with different drugs. You spin it. Whatever the drug lands on, you have to take. So it's like, you got stuff as weed, up to cocaine or heroin. Spin it. How much is just paid to do it?
Weed up to heroin's the worst?
Heroin, nutmeg, meth,
yeah,
cocaine, crack cocaine, weed, all on the board. Spin it. Whatever it lands on, you have to do that drug.
That is a hard pass.
No,
I'm not doing it. No, zero. There's zero amount of money. I don't care if it's Jeff Bezos having money.
Yeah.
No. Because it's like, great. But I feel like it's me. I'm so clean. Yeah. It's just like, well, that seems pretentious, but generally, like, I can't just take heroin. I can't just do that. Yeah. I would be effed up for life, or at least for the next couple of years. Yeah. And then you see like, don't do math, not even once. Yeah. You see the stories of people that did it once, and I was gonna be craving it for the rest of their life.
Really?
Yes. No, it's like some games aren't worth playing. Yeah. Like, what is your life? That's not a game worth playing. Like, yeah, really. So, no.
I understand
like,
that.
I feel like money's hyped too, because like,
But useless if you're not in good health.
Yeah, useless if you're not in good health. Useless if you don't have family or friends to be with. Like, you see how many... That's a completely different video, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like money's not everything. It's like, you can't just put a number like, oh, flip a coin, like, and then my life is in brought my hands of something that I don't even have control over or something.
I get annoyed when I need to eat. I get annoyed, especially if I'm doing something I'm passionate about. I'm like, lost of work. I'm like, dang, I gotta eat. I get annoyed. Now, I get annoyed when I have to go to the bathroom. I get annoyed when I have to drink water. I barely drink enough water. This is one of my weaknesses. I need to drink a lot more water. So now that I on top of that, a drug like that I need to crave. Like, I have three cravings. That's already super annoying.
Yeah.
Being a human being is already annoying. Like, you already have enough, more than enough.
Yeah.
You have to sleep. You have to eat. You have to. Your body forces you to do certain things.
Yeah.
If I had it my way, this would be my life. I would never sleep. Of course, I'm assuming. I'm talking about the craving to sleep, right? So let's say that craving was removed, so I never had to sleep.
Yeah.
So I would never sleep. Then it'd be my whole day would be like making videos, doing whatever I wanted, and I'm playing PS4. Like in the evenings to like 2 in the morning. You can only do stuff, productive stuff probably.
Yeah.
Probably just PS4. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
But because I'm a human being, I have certain cravings or certain quote unquote drugs that keep me functioning, like water, food, sleeping, rest, stuff like that. That's to add a whole different set of parameters onto my life. That's why addiction is so destructive, because it just like literally just derails your whole life, because now I have to like drop everything, warp everything around to certain things.
Yeah.
Yeah, like anything that I need to crave, like I need this, I deliberately don't take it. Like if I'm like really tired, I deliberately don't take energy drinks unless I'm driving, because then it's like
I have to.
then it's like a health problem. I'm driving along the road, but that really only happens like only 3 to 4 times a year. So that's really, I'm not really drinking that much energy drinks. So that's the only time I would have it. But other than that, I really try. If I need something to function that isn't food, water, and rest, I really try to avoid that.
Yeah. Oftentimes, like, I think people forget that it's like the thing that separates us from animals is that we have control over our urges.
Yeah.
So it's like often when it comes to I'm really feeling a burger. I mean, that's fine, like in healthy amounts. But it's like sometimes like I ask myself like, do I? Or is it just like, or it's just a feeling I could just get over? Like I know in my situation I have to walk quite a bit to get a burger. So it's like I don't really need a burger. I mean, it would be nice, but like I don't want to convince myself it's something that I need or I'll die. And like, yeah, when it comes to addiction, like again, like everything around you, it's so. I would hate there for me to be another need. Like eat, sleep, breathing, obviously, but this is I would hate for something like drugs to become a need of mine. So I feel like it's pretty prevalent.
But this happens in every we start off goofy, then we get more and more serious to it.
It's like a good Netflix show, I
guess. I've really. Do you have anything else to say about drugs or Nutmeg in general?
Nah, not even once. Nutmeg, not even once.
Nutmeg, not even once. I'll try it for a cool 50. Alright, peace.
New videos coming soon. Also, old videos right here. They're old, but they're pretty fire. So you can watch those. This video will be more funny if you watch the other ones. We'll kind of link them together. It's pretty dope. Also, leave a comment down below what you thought of the video. Let us know. We'll be responding to each and every comment. We'll catch you guys in the next one. What on earth was that? You didn't hear that, did you?